6:35, the U.S. Supreme Court now has a new deadline to rule on the fate of access to the most widely used abortion pill. This will be the court's first major ruling on abortion since its historic decision to overturn Roe v. Wade nearly a year ago. Marcella Robertson joining us live outside of the Supreme Court now with the latest on this evolving situation. Marcella, good morning to you.
Larry, good morning. Well, essentially, the Supreme Court gave itself an additional 2 days to make a decision here. Of course, this is all centering around mifepristone, the most commonly prescribed abortion drug in the United States. Let's talk for a second how we got here in the first place. About 2 weeks ago, a judge ruled, a Trump-appointed judge, I should say, ruled that the FDA improperly approved this abortion medication. Keep in mind, this FDA approval came some 23 years ago. An appeals court then jumped in and said the judge went too far, but did keep some of the limits, including that this drug could only be used until 7 weeks of pregnancy instead of the current 10 weeks allowed right now. Now, we were expecting a decision from the Supreme Court yesterday. Again, that will not come down until sometime tomorrow. What exactly does this all mean? It doesn't necessarily give any indication of which way the justices may rule, but legal experts say this delay does suggest that the justices may not all be in agreement.
What it strongly suggests is that this is a divided opinion, and we don't know who the angry dissent is going to come from at this point.
It is important to note that Friday's decision is not on the permanent fate of mifepristone, only on whether or not it will be available, continue to be available until the justices actually hear from both sides on this issue. Again, that decision expected to come down by tomorrow night. We will certainly be watching closely as yet another major decision on abortion access comes out of the Supreme Court here. Back to you.
We will end the week with yet another blockbuster. Marcella Robertson reporting live for us this morning. Marcella, thank you so much.